Whoa, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, reverse. Oh. Whoa, are you standing up?
Nadia Amani toys. Wow, surprise!
Is it a big surprise, Amani?
Yeah.
Do you think it's a car?
Yeah. Let's open it, see what's inside. Oh, there's something inside. Let's have a check.
What's inside, Amani?
There's this.
Ooh, I wonder what it is. It's a black ride-on.
It's a motorbike.
Is it a motorbike?
Yeah.
What motorbike is it?
Black.
Wow. Ooh, are there some stickers? Whoa, it's a Batman's motorbike. Check it out. Are there all the stickers?
Yes.
Wow.
Batman.
It's a bat trike. Vroom vroom. Ooh, what's in there? Are there lights in there?
Light.
Lights and the mirrors.
And there's a wire.
Is there a charger?
A charger.
There's a charger. What else is here? Let's bring the main motorbike out. Here, help me, Amani, help me. Oh, pull it out. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Whoa. Pull it out, Amani. Whoa, whoa.
Batman one.
It's a Batman's motorbike, guys. Check it out.
Batman logo.
Whoa! Hi, Batman. Da-da, da-da. Knock, knock. Hey. How many wheels are there, Amani?
3.
Can you bring them out?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
Whoa.
Yay! Amani is in the box. Hi. Magic.
Let's put the wheel in the box.
Well done, Amani. Has it gone through the motor?
Yeah.
Now get the next wheel, please.
Let's put the second wheel.
Push it in, Amani. Yay! Get your screwdriver. Let's tighten it.
It's all nice and tight. Let's do the box.
Well done, Amani.
Handle box. Put the
That's it. Oh, that's it. And then we need to put this here.
here.
Vroom, vroom.
Put the foot wheel.
Push that rod in, Amani. Push it. Push it. Yeah. Go to the side.
Done.
This side.
Nice and tight and done.
Hit it there. Press it in. Yay! And this one on that side. Wow, check it out. Is that all nice and tight?
Yeah. Nice and tight. It's nice and tight. With the stickers. Wait.
Put that over there, Amani. Put it there. Well done.
At the bottom, logo and what?
Put it there, Mommy. Yeah, in the middle. Well done. Check that out. Wow.
Charge it.
Oh, is the charge done?
Yeah, out guys.
Beep beep. Oh, reverse, reverse. Press the reverse button, Amani.
This one.
Yeah. Reverse. Wow, is it powerful? Go in a big circle. Oh, reverse. Oh, uh-oh, reverse. Brum brum, is it fast? Do you like your Batman motorbike? So we'll take it outside as well. But before we go, can you tell me who your favorite superhero is?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Batman.
Batman! No. Batman! Come on then, let's go for a test drive outside, guys.
Yes, come on. Let's go.
Oops, forward. Choo choo! Ah! Chase me! Chase me! Bring it down here! Bring it down here! Bring it down there! Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Are you standing up? Are you doing a magic? Wow! A man is standing and riding a motorbike. Ah! Don't run me over! Oh no! Ah! Crash! Ow! Two, one, go! Whoa! Ah! You're going so fast! Ah! Crash! Beep beep! Batman to the rescue! Whoa! Do you like your motorbike, Amani? Ooh! Are you standing up? Give a wave! Turn around! Faster, Manny, faster! Turn around! Ride it, yeah. Reverse. Come this way, Manny. Hi, Kitty.
Kitty.
Let's go, Manny. Choo choo.